Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to connect eToro to TradingView. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these steps will help you get more value from both platforms. To begin, head over to the TradingView website and take a moment to familiarize yourself with its clean layout and user-friendly design. TradingView offers powerful charts and analysis tools for tracking multiple markets, making it an essential part of any trader's toolkit. Next, connect TradingView with your broker. From within TradingView, navigate to the Broker section and select eToro from the list of supported brokers. Once connected, you'll be able to place trades directly from TradingView, which makes the entire trading process faster and more efficient. After linking your account, explore the asset charts and trading panel on TradingView. These provide real-time data and detailed insights that are crucial for making informed trading decisions, so take your time to explore the available tools and indicators. Now, shift your focus to the educational side by visiting the eToro Academy. This resource hub offers valuable learning materials for traders of all experience levels and explains how to make the most of TradingView features within the eToro ecosystem. After reviewing these resources, return to the eToro platform and compare its charts with those on TradingView. You'll notice some differences, as each platform has its own strengths, and this comparison will help you decide how to use both effectively within your trading strategy. By integrating TradingView with eToro, you gain access to advanced market analysis while maintaining smooth trade execution. Spend time exploring both platforms and make use of eToro's educational resources to fully unlock the benefits of this powerful combination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.